We can do anything we want to do. Matter of fact, because it's such a jubilant crowd, I know you're going to rock and party for the rest of the night. Would y'all like to do something with me real quick before I leave? Just so we can like get the spirit warmed up. Everybody say, everyone say free.
Free.
Grow.
Grow.
Misery.
Misery.
Down.
Down.
True.
True.
Sad.
Sad.
Lift. Here.
Here.
All right, those are 8 words that you're going to have to repeat when I do the call. Your 8 words are the response. I'm going to say the words again. This time, don't repeat them. Just kind of put them in your head. And when I do the call, I'm going to stop and do this, and you do your word. Your words are free, grow, misery, down, true, sad, lift, here. Now let's see if we can rock this out, Roxbury style.
My memory's not that.
I want to be what I can be, to be proud, healthy and free. I want to say what I know, to help my brothers and sisters grow. I want to feel good about me, and blame no one for my misery. And blame no one for my misery. Cause I'll be strong to turn it around. I want to go up, I'm not going down. I want to do what I can do to make all my dreams come true. Remember my past, the good and bad, how I made it art, even when it was sad. I want to share whatever my gift, and when you're feeling low, I'll give you a lift. I want to live without fear, and know that I'm blessed for being here, and know that you're blessed for being here, and know that we're blessed for being here, and know that you're blessed.